Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer crypto from Etoro to external wallets. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So at first you need to head over to Etoro Money app on your mobile phone, and then you'll see the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. So tap on that, and then you're going to tap on the crypto that you want to transfer, and then click on send, and then it's going to ask you how much do you want to send. So you're going to put in the amount, and it's also going to ask you to put in the recipient's address. So how you're going to get that is whatever wallet it is that you're transferring it to, let's say Trust Wallet or whatever wallet, you're going to head over to that wallet, and then suppose we are transferring Bitcoin. So you're going to click on Bitcoin into receiving, and then you'll see that there is a receive address. So you're going to copy that and paste that into your Etoro wallet. And finally, you're going to click on send after verifying everything is right, and then it's going to send you an SMS code. So you're going to put on that one, tap on verify one last time, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.